Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourselves. Welcome to Online Sport. This is Science subject for class 2 and it's going to be your fourth lesson about Unit 5 and chapter number 11. So our today's topic is Unit 5 Physical Science and chapter number 11 Heat and Light. See the contents of the video. The contents of the video are sources of heat. We will read about sources of heat. The first one is sun. It's the main source of heat, and the second one is fire, light bulbs and stoves. The number third, we will read about the rubbing two objects together. So let's see. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn about common sources of heat and light, understand the various uses in which heat and light are used. So let's begin. So the material required for this lesson is lead pencil, color box, eraser, sharpener, ruler, notebook and science book. So I hope you kept there all things and you are ready for your fourth lesson. So let's see. Now students, open your science book, page number 81. First of all, write down the date and today's task on this page. This is Unit 5 Physical Science and chapter number 11 Heat and Light. So first of all, we will do the warm-up activity. See the activity, choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. So students, you can see some words are there. Hot, bright, dark and cold. So choose the correct word and write below the picture. So first one picture is about cold, dark, bright and hot. So this is your activity. Now students, in the lesson you will learn about the heat, light and their uses in everyday life. So let's know about sources of heat and light. So first we will know about the sun. Sun is the main source of heat. Students, सूरज हीट का सबसे अहम सोर्स है जिससे हम हीट यानी हरारत हासिल करते हैं और इसकी हरारत से हम मुस्तफीद भी होते हैं. So let's know more about sun. So students, when you go outside in the sunshine, you can feel the warmth on your skin. Nights are cooler because there is no heat from the sun and heat of the sun affects the weather and climate. When the sun shines brightly in the sky, the day is hot. So students, जैसे कि दिन के वक्त जब हम बाहर जाते हैं तो हम देखते हैं कि सूरज की तपिश को हम बहुत ज्यादा महसूस करते हैं, लेकिन रात के वक्त सन की हीट नहीं होती, इसलिए रात डे टाइम से ज्यादा ठंडी होती है. क्योंकि दिन में सूरज की शाइन बहुत ब्राइट होती है, इसलिए दिन हॉट यानी कि गर्म होते हैं. तो सी द पिक्चर्स, यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, डेज आर हॉट बिकॉज सन शाइन्स ब्राइटली इन द डे टाइम, बट नाइट्स आर कूलर बिकॉज देयर इज नो हीट फ्रॉम द सन. Now turn your page, it's page number 82. Write down today's task on this page. So students, on this page we will know about light of the sun. Anything that glows produces light. जो भी चीज ग्लो करती है वो लाइट भी देती है. So the sun is also main source of light. जिस तरह से sun हीट के लिए मेन सोर्स है, हरारत के लिए मेन सोर्स है, इसी तरह से सन लाइट के लिए भी मेन सोर्स है. So without the sun, the earth will become a dark planet. सूरज की रोशनी के बगैर जो हमारी जमीन है, जो हमारी अर्थ है, वो डार्क एक स्याह सियारे की मानंद होगी. सो एट नाइट एज द अर्थ चेंज इट्स पोजीशन, रात के वक्त जो अर्थ है, जमीन है, वो अपनी पोजीशन चेंज कर लेती है. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि हमारी जमीन जो है वो एक प्लैनेट है, अर्थ इज अ प्लैनेट. सो अर्थ अपनी पोजीशन सूरज के गिर्द और चांद के गिर्द चेंज करती है. सो द सन डज नॉट अपीयर इन सम पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. So we have darkness at night. So students, I hope you are clear about the darkness at night. Now students, we will see the second source of the heat and light is fire. Fire कहते हैं आग को. So fire produces heat. Fire जो है वो heat produce करती है, हरारत पैदा करती है. So materials that burn to give heat and power are called fuels. Materials जो हमें heat और power देते हैं, burn होते हैं, they are called the fuels. Like wood, coal, oil, petrol and gas are fuels. So students, these materials burn and give out heat and power to us like wood, coal, oil, petrol and gas. These are the fuels. आप देखेंगे wood burn होती है और fire produce करती है. So students, same like that, जिस तरह से मैंने आपको बताया कि sun is the first one main source of the heat and light, इसी तरह से fire is the second source of the heat and light. So students, now we will discuss about the light of the fire. So fire produces light. See the examples of the light: candle, oil lamp and gas flame. So students, these are the examples of the fire light. Now students, we will discuss the next one. Source of heat and light is friction. अब हम friction के बारे में जानेंगे. What is the friction? Friction क्या है? So friction mean rubbing of two things together. दो चीजों का आपस में रब होना, आपस में रगड़ खाना is called the friction. So let's see. Friction is produced by rubbing two things together. जैसे कि मैंने आपको अभी बताया कि दो चीजों को आपस में रगड़ने से फ्रिक्शन पैदा होती है. So when you rub your hands vigorously together, they become warm. जब आप अपने हाथों को vigorously सख्ती के साथ आपस में रगड़ेंगे, जोर से रगड़ेंगे, they become warm. वो warm हो जाएंगे. So when two stones or sticks are rubbed vigorously together, they produce fire. इसी तरह से जब आप stones और sticks को आपस में रब करेंगे, they produce fire. वो fire produce करेंगे, आग पैदा करेंगे. So this fire gives out heat and light. और फिर वो फायर आपको हीट भी देगी और लाइट भी देगी. सो इट्स ऑल्सो कॉमन सोर्स ऑफ द हीट एंड लाइट. नाउ सी, fill in the blanks. See the first one: when the sun shines brightly, the day is dash. So students, I have told you about when the sun shines brightly, the day is hot. जब सूरज पूरी तरह से चमकता है तो हमारे दिन जो हैं वो hot होते हैं. Now see the next one: anything that glows produces light. जब भी कोई चीज ग्लो करती है वो लाइट प्रोड्यूस करती है. So see the last one: dash is the fuel. I have told you about different name of the fuel. So right here, oil is the fuel. You can also write by on your choice. Now students, come on the page number 84. Write down day, date and today's task on this page. Here we will see some points to remember. So see the first one point: common sources of heat and light are sun, fire, friction and electricity. So students, these are the common sources of the heat and light, like sun, fire, friction and electricity. ये common sources हैं जो हमें heat भी देते हैं और light भी देते हैं. Now see the next one: materials. Materials that burn to give heat and power are called fuels. जो material हमें हीट और पावर देने के लिए बर्न होते हैं, जलाए जाते हैं, वो फ्यूल्स कहलाते हैं. इसकी मैंने आपको एग्जांपल बताई थी. वुड, coal, oil, petrol and gas are the examples of the fuels. They burn and give us heat and power. So see the next one: heat and light have many uses in our daily life. The last one is light helps us to see things. Light जो है वो हमें चीजें देखने में help करती है. So I hope this is clear about points to remember. Now see new words. See the new words. The first one is fuels. Fuels mean materials that burn to give heat and power. वो material जो burn होता है और हमें heat और power देता है. Now see the last one word is friction. Friction mean rubbing of two things together. Now we will do exercise on page number 84. See the exercise part A. Fill in the blanks. See the number 1. Nights are cooler because there is no dash above us. Students, see the options sun and moon. We know that about nights. Nights are cooler because there is no heat from the sun. So right here, nights are cooler because there is no sun above us. Now see number 2. Materials that burns to give heat and power is called friction or fuel. So students, write down: material that burns to give heat and power is called fuel. Now see number 3. A torch gives out dash. Obviously students, torch हमें light देती है, not heat. So right here, a torch gives out light. Now see number 4. Intensity of heat. Heat की जो शिद्दत है is dash on a bright sunny day. एक sunny day में जो heat की शिद्दत है वो more होगी या less होगी. So right here, intensity of heat is more on a bright sunny day. Now see the last one, number 5. Eggs hatch when they are kept warm. So I hope this is clear. Come on the next page, page number 85. Write down today's task on this page. So here we will do part B. Part B is cross the odd one out. So students, यहाँ पे हमने odd one को क्रॉस करना है, यानी कि odd one मीन जो डिफरेंट वन है. So let's start. Number 1 is glass, sun and lamp. So students, sun and lamp give us light. So glass is a odd one. Now see number 2, wood, oil and plastic. Wood and oil are fuel. They are from the same category. So plastic is different material. So cross on the plastic word. Now see number 3, oven, night lamp and electric iron. So students, oven and electric iron give us heat, whereas night lamp give us light. So students, night lamp is a different word. So cross on night lamp. Now see number 4, bulb, torch and fire. Students, bulb and torch give us light. So fire is different word. It's odd one. So cross on it. Now see the last one. The words are ice cream, seed and egg. Students, seeds need warmth to grow into plants. इसी तरह से eggs need to be kept warm in order to hatch. So ice cream is the different word. It's called the odd one. So cross on ice cream. So I hope this is clear. Come on the next page, page number 86. Here we will do task. The task is look at the picture below. Color only sources of light. So students, in this picture you can see the two pictures which give us light. So lamp is source of light and fire is source of light. So color to them. So I hope you have understood each and every point of the lesson. So the task which we have to do is learn highlighted points from page number 81 and 82. Do and learn part A, page number 84. And the second thing which you have need to do is do task on page number 86 on your science book. So I hope you will complete your task with efficiently. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.